Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the squeaky chair. I don't know why I keep moving. I don't even know why I use this chair. Okay, besides the whole squeakiness, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Today in the video, I'm going to show you how I did this kind of like halo, like a berry halo eye. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. Actually, I really like how it turned out. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already done my brows. I did them already just because I want to focus more on the eye look that I'm going to show you guys that I've done that I really like. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a bit of like a eyeshadow primer. I'm just using this foundation from Wet n Wild that I'm using because I don't really have a concealer that I like or an eyeshadow primer that I can use. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and apply it on my eyelids. That, and then I'm going to take my sponge and then just press it into my eyelid. Sorry for the squeaky chair. I know it's very annoying. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm just gonna start off with the eyeshadow. And since I am doing like a halo eye, I'm gonna be starting off kind of light and then going darker as I go. The first color I'm gonna put down on my eyelids as kind of like to set the foundation that I use as a primer. I'm gonna use this color here called Naked in the BoxyCharm Pure, I guess, collab palette from the BoxyCharm subscription box that I have. So I'm just gonna take that, and I don't know if I want to take this brush because it has blue on it. I was playing with blue the other day. I did not like it. I don't like how it looked on me. So I'm just gonna take the color and apply it of where my crease would be and just kind of drag it into my inner corner. And I'm not using blues, just that this brush has a bit of blue on it because the other day I was playing with blue and I don't like how it looked on me. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't transfer onto my eyelid right now. I do have a mirror down here just in case you guys see me looking down a lot. I think I'm gonna return it because it's kind of short, so I want one that's a bit more high so I don't have to keep looking down like this. So yeah, I don't really like this one that I got. I don't know why I got it because I had found a different one that I really liked. It had like, it was like silver color and it had little cat ears at the top, and I don't know why I didn't get that one, just because I didn't really like this one. It's too short. I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. blending eye brush and I'm gonna take this color here from my ColourPop Belle of the Ball palette. I've had this for a really long time. I think I've had this for about 2 years now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take that like really pinkish color and I'm just gonna start building it up on the outer corner, and then whatever I have left on my brush after doing the outer corner, I'm gonna start building a bit of color in the inner corner. And I haven't done my foundation or anything on my face other than my brows, just because in case there's any fallout, I don't want it to get on my foundation because then it's gonna be hard to take off, because if you just wipe it off, it's most likely gonna rub into the foundation, so I don't want that. So I'm just gonna continue doing this. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye, kind of do like the halo-ish kind of look. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to show you how I did the look, but I'm not very good at explaining. I'm really sorry. So yeah. Sorry for the weird faces that I'm making. It's kind of hard not to make a weird face when I'm doing my makeup like this. I'm sorry if you can't really see what I'm doing just because I do have to look down. I know that I'm most likely gonna return this mirror because I don't like how low it is. Like, it's literally under my boyfriend's phone, where it's what I'm filming on right now, and I just really need to crouch down a lot so I could see what I'm doing, and I don't like it. I want one that's a bit taller, just like kind of the same level as the phone, so when I do film I can look here and you guys can still see what I'm doing, so I'm not like this the whole time, and so that I'm not crouching because it's not good for my back. So I'm really sorry for this stupid squeaky chair. So now I'm just going to take another e.l.f. brush. This is a blending brush. It looks like this. It's kind of fluffy. And I'm just going to take that and kind of just blend the two colors together here at the top of where my crease is. And just blend them together so that it doesn't look like any harsh lines. I don't know how good it looks or how bad it looks, but I'm not the best at makeup. And sometimes it gets very annoying, but I'm still trying to learn and practice make it perfect, so that's why I haven't given up yet. And I really enjoy doing makeup, so that's why I'm still doing it. And I'm trying to do this for you guys, but I suck at it. On the Nubian 2 palette, I'm just going to take this color here, which is kind of like a purpley plum color, and it's called Jezebel. I think that's how you say it. Jezebel, this one right here. And I'm just going to take this on a smaller blending brush from e.l.f. I'm just going to tap the color a bit. Tap off the excess. And just kind of deepen the outer and inner corner a bit, just so it kind of, the pink pops a bit more. I'm not putting too much because I don't want to take the color of the pink away, so yeah. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do for that. Now I'm just going to take that black e.l.f. brush again and just blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to cut my crease. This is most likely going to be like a fail, but I'm just going to take this small brush and I'm going to use that to make the halo cut crease. So I'm just going to apply a bit of the same shade of foundation that I used to prime my eyelids on the back of my hand, just so not to keep like going back and forth into the foundation. And I'm just going to take a bit and place it on my eye, and then I'm going to close my eye, or as far as I can. I'm going to close my eye as far as I can, like that. And then it kind of marks where the end of your, like where your crease, where you, when you close your eyes, then where the little bit of concealer touches, that's where you should draw, or where you should start the cut crease, because when you close your eyes or when you open your eyes completely, then it won't transfer more onto the lid or above where the crease is. Now I'm just gonna take my small e.l.f. brush and blend in that pink color on the outer edges of the where I put the concealer down, just so you don't have the harsh line. Just like that. And because of the concealer, it does make the shadow a little bit darker where on the outer edges of where the concealer is. So yeah, it just looks a bit darker, but I don't mind it. Okay, I'm gonna take the Golden State of Mind ColourPop shadow or eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here, if you guys can see that, and I'm just gonna apply it where I put the concealer, or where I cut the crease. I'm gonna take a small little brush like this. I'm just gonna grab some of the shadow onto my brush and then apply it. And with these shadows, I don't think you really need like setting spray just because they work really well on their own, but just to make it more intense, you can add setting spray. Like, that's very pretty. I mean, you can't really see it, like a horrible lighting that I have. Hopefully it looks better when I add mascara and I do the rest of my face. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off the other eye off camera, and then I'll be back to show you what I do to the rest of my face. Okay? So now that I've done my foundation, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with this CoverGirl setting powder. It's just this translucent powder, if you guys can see. I'm just gonna take this brush right here and then just apply it all over my face. Now that I'm done setting my face, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my lower lash line and just use the pinky color and put it under my lash line. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the same pink color that I used for my inner and outer corner, and I'm just gonna dab into that. And I'm just gonna put it under my lash line a bit. Sorry for the weird face that I'm making. Okay. And now I'm just gonna apply mascara, and I'm just gonna use this Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. This is just a sample of it that I have, so I'm just gonna use this and just put it on my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit of blush, and I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild baked blush in the Hummingbird Hype from the new collection. I'm just gonna take a brush and just apply that to my cheeks. And because this this blush is already kind of shimmery, I'm not gonna apply highlight just because I don't want it to be too much. So it already looks like I have highlight on because of the blush, so I don't want to add anything else. Okay, and now I'm just gonna set my face with the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray, and I don't have a lot of this, so hopefully I can get a new one. Feels really nice. Okay, so while my face dries, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Recently I uploaded maybe like 2 weeks ago, I uploaded a TJ Maxx haul, TJ Maxx Marshalls haul, and I didn't expect to get the amount of views it did. But yeah, I mean, it's not just about views for me. I really enjoyed that people actually enjoyed the video. Like, it's not just because of the views. I mean, that's crazy too, but I mean, I like that people actually commented and interacted with me about the video, so that was really cool. Thank you guys. If you haven't checked it out, I'll try to link it below in this the description, but I'm not very tech savvy, so I'm not 100% I don't know how to do that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. And yeah, so now that my face has set, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm just gonna take this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 930 Truffle Tease. It's like a nude-ish. It's like a nude. And I'm just gonna apply that on my lips. I don't know why, but I've recently been like really into nude like lipsticks and liquid lipsticks and stuff. So yeah. So I just added that. Oh, that looks pretty itself already. But I'm just gonna add a bit of gloss. I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Featherless from their new collection as well. It's a very like pretty peachy color. I'm not gonna add a lot. That's like literally all I add when I like wear lipstick with it. So yeah. Alright. Okay. That concludes this video. I don't know if I'm gonna be posting it because I feel like it was kind of crap. So if you guys do end up seeing this video, then I did post it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of all over the place, I guess. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you're feeling nice, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!